Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Atina 360 lace frontal wig. The hair comes in this pink cute packaging, and the packaging includes an hair clip, an elastic band and head band and baby hair comb, and also a wig cap as well. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair is really full and very voluminous. I really like the construction of the cap. The hair has three combs at the front and one comb at the back, and it also comes straight with an adjustable band and elastic strap as well. So the adjustable band has three extensions. If you have big head, you can adjust it to your head size, or if you have small head, you can adjust it to your head size, meaning you don't have to use any glue or gel to install this hair. I really like this hair based on the fact that the hair is beginner friendly. Everything has been done for you straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about, bleaching your knots. The knots has been bleached for you straight from the box, and also the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. So all you need to do is just cut your lace and use the elastic strap or adjustable band in the construction of the cap to install your wig. So you don't need any glue or gel. The hair is definitely beginner friendly, so that's one of the things that I like about the hair as well. And yeah, I decided to straighten the hair because I needed that texturized or relaxer look. So yeah, you don't have to do this. You can wear the hair the way it is. If you want that kinky vibe kind of look, you can wear the hair straight the way it is straight from the box. But I just decided to throw in some, straight into the hair. But yeah, feel free to wear the hair the way it was, straight from the box. So I went in and installed this hair by using my glue, and all I did was just apply the glue on my side bun only, just my side bun. The reason being that the hair laid well on my head, so I don't really need to do much. But because my side bun is always lifting, I could have just go away with installing the hair with just an elastic band inside the wig cap. But I just decided to lay my side bun, just to keep the hair secured. But yeah, so that's the elastic strap that was included in the wig. And the back side is really tricky for me because I can't see my back. I really can't. But all I did was just apply the glue on my head and then place the lace exactly on the areas where I applied the glue, and voila. So the same thing at the front. As I said, I applied the glue on my side bun and then waited for a few seconds for the glue to dry, and then placed the lace exactly on the glue. Look at that. The lace melted into my skin and disappeared, like completely disappeared. I loved it. I used my tail comb to press it into my into the glue, and it just melted into my skin. I really loved that a lot. I did the same thing on the other side. I cut the lace on a zigzag motion just to create an illusion of a scarf, and I love the lace of this wig. It's so soft and easy to work with. And then I applied my scarf on the hair just to give it a flatter look at the front. I did a rough bun, which is not, so I didn't really put more effort in it. It's just like a an example of the styles that you could go with when you wear this wig. Look at the back. I love it. It looks so natural. I really tried. Or what do you guys think? Because I couldn't see my back, but I mean, that's good enough. Yeah, so you can style this hair anyhow you like, just like your own natural hair. I love this scalp vibe I'm getting from this wig. It felt so natural. I love the fact that I don't need to apply any concealer or foundation on the wig just to create a pat, because you can pat this hair any way or anyhow you like, just like your own natural hair. And as you guys can tell, you can go for any style. You can go for up, half up, up down, half up, half down, and you can do side bun, you can do any style of your choice, just like your own natural hair. I did few styles in this video just for you guys to see how you can style this hair in case you get this particular hair. So yeah, I love the fact that while I was braiding my hair, there was no single tangling. Guys, watch this video carefully. No single tangling. Even my natural hair tangles when I try to braid this, but this wig did not tangle, not for once. Look at that. There was no stress whatsoever just to braid my hair. I braided the hair easily. The hair just went in. My hand runs into the hair smoothly. No tangling, no shedding. So I thought, well, let's try the quality of the hair. Let's push it more further by coiling this hair, and voila, I am impressed. The hair took to curls really well. I felt like the quality of this hair is just amazing, like amazing. I really can't stress how much I love this hair, guys. Look at that part. There is no foundation on it, there is no concealer on it, there is no powder on it. The lace is giving scalp, like giving scalp. Go ahead and check out Atina websites and let me know what you guys think. I am loving this hair, and I really recommend that you guys check out their website. The quality of this hair is amazing. It's definitely A+ for me, and especially the lace and the fact that the wig is beginner friendly. A+ for me. Definitely A+ for me. So stay tuned for my review, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Atina 360 lace frontal wig right here. I am loving it. I actually showed you guys how I installed this hair. I'm really loving the scalp vibe right now. This hair is so versatile that you can style it anyhow you like. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the hair is really full and very voluminous, just like your natural kinky hair. So I decided to straighten the hair a bit. I just went through the hair straightener like once or twice on the hair just to give it a flatter look, just a tiny bit. But I really love the kinky feel to the hair as well. What I love about this hair is the fact that the lace melted into my skin effortlessly. Like, look at that, guys. Show me the lace. Like, seriously, show me the lace. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. I didn't have to struggle or anything. I just placed the lace straight on the glue and it disappeared into my skin. I really love that about the hair, and I love the fact that the hair is also very full. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that you can pat it anyhow you like. Unlike normal lace frontal wig, when you get to these beaks you can't pat the hair further, but with this one you can pat the hair further to the back, anywhere around the front of your hair, which is really amazing. I really love that about this wig, and I love the fact that you can style it anyhow you like it. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is really nice. It felt like my natural hair without relaxer, which is really good. I love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that I can style it anyhow I like. I can tongue it, I can dye it, I can bleach it, I can do just anything to this hair. And if you want that relaxed look, feel free to straighten this hair to your satisfaction, and you get another look like straight off. So I really like that about this. I love the fact that it gives that flat natural look at the back, although I couldn't see my hair so at the back, but I have good feeling about it. So you guys will be the judge of that. It would have been amazing if I had someone to help me fix the back of it, but I tried my best for you guys. But yeah, the idea is just straightforward. Just place your lace on the glue and you should be good to go. So if you guys don't know Atinahair, Atinahair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, 360 lace frontal wig, the one I'm wearing right now. They have lace closure wig, they have airband wig, they have colored wig, and they have all types of hair on their website, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. but I'm sure if you check out their website you definitely find something for you or your loved ones. So about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. The shipping took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, so depending on where you are, but if you're in the UK, be rest assured that you get your hair in 4 days. Even though there is holiday going on, the hair still took 4 days to get here in the UK. So for me, their shipping is really good. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the vendor in the description box below. Please feel free to check out their websites and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.